Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to embroider on these super trendy mesh PVC zipper pouches. These are fantastic for back to school, putting spare clothes in, using them as a wet bag for your beach bag, school supplies, all of the things. And they're super popular right now with putting a child's name on it, or even I'm using them for office organizations, so I'm labeling them. So fun, so easy that they work great with our mighty hoops, and I'm going to show you how we embroider them. We are going to design the file, and the name we're embroidering is Millie. So cute, and she wants my font option number 3, which is Black Cherry. This is a Stitchtopia design called Black Cherry. So we're going to look through all of our fonts. Stitchtopia, Black Cherry. Let's see, and we might be able to do, oh, that is so cute. So we have about 6 inches to work with. So we are going to space this out a bit. Sometimes you have to play with the lettering a little bit. Perfect. I think that looks so cute. I love the Stitchtopia designs. They are one of my favorite, and this one is Stitchtopia's Black Cherry, and I love that it mixes like the capital letters with the lowercase letters. It just gives it a whole little flair. So cute. Let's save it. We are using a DST file because I am working on a SmartStitch embroidery machine, which uses .dst. So we're going to do Millie, zipper, save, and then we are going to put it on our USB. And then we are going to put the USB into our embroidery machine. My embroidery machine does not have Wi-Fi, which is totally fine. I don't mind using the USB, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this into the machine. So we are putting our design onto our machine. We're gonna pull it up, and we are going to check our bobbin thread, make sure everything's centered, select the hoop that we're using, which is the 6.25 by 8.25 mighty hoop, and then we are going to embroider our zipper pouch design. So cute. We don't need to flip it or anything. We're going to slide the zipper pouch right on. We are going to select our hoop, our frame. Let's see, 6.25 by 8.25. Perfect. Okay, and she wants a purple font to match the purple zipper. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3. So font number 4, automatic. And let's get to embroidering. As we want to check our bobbin thread, make sure we have enough to get through a design, because it's so annoying when you run out in the middle of a design. We are going to make sure that the machine is oiled, wiped down, clean. I keep little spare pieces of flannel that I just cut up from scrap, and I just like wipe everything down before I start embroidering. That way oil doesn't get on anything. We have fresh needles already. Bobbin thread is good. It's all clean. We're just going to do a drop of oil. Said previously, we are using a mighty hoop. This is a 6.25 by 8.25. It fits perfectly in these zipper pouches. So What I'm going to do is I'm going to center where I want my design. And by doing that, I'm just going to fold it right in half so that it's perfectly centered. And then I like to measure 4 inches down so that it's not right smack in the middle, but it's a little up centered. And then I use a straight pin to just stick right where I want it because I don't trust markers. I only ever use straight pins to center my designs. And these are nice because they have like a grid on them, so it really helps with lining up. So easy peasy, there's where I want my center. And we're just going to slip the frame in, and it's going to slide over the bobbin bar like this, and we're going to embroider. So let's get it hooped. I am using 1 piece of tearaway stabilizer. You don't want to use cutaway because the bag is mesh and clear and see-through. You don't want to be able to see the stabilizer when it's done. So we are just going to use 1 piece and then tear it away. So let's slide that in. I'm telling you, these bags are so fun and easy to embroider. Okay. As long as the hoop is covered completely by the stabilizer, you're good. And you can eyeball your line. In worst case, if it's not perfectly centered, you can get it on your machine and move the design around a hair. So there we have it. Ready? This is my favorite part. Look at that. Okay, so it's centered, hooped. Perfect. So it's going to slide on the machine like that, and we're going to embroider and then tear it off. All right, so our machine is set up, the design is ready, our hoop is ready. We are good to go. So we just want to make sure that the open zipper pouch slides over the bobbin arm because you do not want to embroider the back to the front. You'll have to start over. Okay, so we're sliding it on. It is around and over. We're going to just make sure there is, I need to move it up just a hair. And like I said, it's okay if it's not perfectly centered because once it's on the machine, you can move it up, down, left, right. Perfect. So we're going to remove our pin. Do an outline, always do an outline. Perfect. We're going to put our speed at 650. That's my safe zone, and we are going to start. Okay, so our embroidery is done. We're going to take it off the machine and trim it up to show you the finished product. Look how nice that looks. How beautiful. So we are going to take the mighty hoops off, do a little bit of trimming, pull off the stabilizer, and it's going to be good to go. Look how cute that looks. The embroidery looks beautiful. Few jump stitches to trim, again, we used the 6.25 by 8.25 Mighty Hoop. This size is phenomenal for so many things. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna pull the stabilizer off, but I do like to make sure I trim so nothing gets stuck back here. And you're gonna see it looks so good. Okay. Easy peasy. So there we have it. We have our embroidered zipper pouch. The stitching looks so good. Look how smooth and beautiful. It is centered. The inside looks fantastic. Look at that tension, so good. There's nothing hanging off or looking crazy. This is going to be so cute for Millie's backpack. Okay, so there we have it. That is how we embroider these mesh clear plastic zipper pouches. They embroider so easily. They do not damage your needles. I've embroidered over 100 of them now for back to school. The quality is fantastic. You can get these pouches in a pack off of Amazon. I have them listed in my Amazon storefront, so check the comments for a link. The size is so good. It's like a 13 by 9. So if you enjoyed this content, come back for more. I would love to have you here permanently.